Ayan, magandang gabi. Ayan, magkakamping kami dun sa farm na nabili ng aking bossing. Ngayon, overnight kami, 4 kami. Dinala namin to suburban. Ayan, mamaya mag video pa ako. Puntahan lang namin si Ricky. Okay, mamaya ulit. Ayan, narito na kami. Talagang nai-prepare ni bossing. Ayan, maliwanag oh. Ito na kami. Ano na to? Alas 11 na ng ano. Kasi nagkakot pala itong aking bossing. Nai-prepare talaga niya. Ayun, may ano rito. Ayan. Magka ano kami ng konron. Mag bonfire. Ito, ano ito? Fish, ano ito eh? Ayos nga naman. Talagang bumili pa si bossing ng bagong battery para lang ngayon. Pero may paggagamitan naman to. Kaya ano rin niya. Ayan, kapag-relax ng konti. Ayan, bali 4 kaming katao. Oh, pala mga ano, mga tent ni, ang daming tent ni bossing eh. Ano.
Sleep? No.
Ito, mga bagong bili niya yan.
I think we
We're not grilling today. Actually, we're gonna be cooking.
no problem.
So I decided, I
magluluto
haven't
si
cooked in
bossing.
a while.
Uh,
So we're gonna cook something traditional a little bit.
no problem.
So why we like this? Later we maybe finish. We
So
don't
with this? No, this is for our satanic rituals. We're gonna be worshiping the devil tonight.
Ritual naman kami. This one of my close friend, engineer.
Engineer. Close.
Junior engineer. Okay, mamaya. Mamaya ulit, mag-video kami. Prepare na namin yung aming mga tent, mga ano. Okay, mamaya ulit. Ayan, okay, set up na kami ng set up na kami ng susunugin. Maybe, I think you forgot that fork.
No, I did.
No problem, we can use a large stick. Long.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, maybe that is
Oh, this goes to the bottom.
Yeah.
Key shield placement instructions. Yeah, fuck it. We'll need it. Alright, let me get this fire starter.
video ko ng ano, para pang pang ano, pang content. And
Meron akong sasabihin sa'yo sana eh. Baka makapture eh.
and at mamaya ulit mag-video ulit ako. Ayan, my boss will start to cook. So let's see how good.
He'll be jealous.
Take the other one. I think that oh yeah.
Okay.
And ni-prepare na. What you call this dish?
Majboos.
Makbus.
Majboos.
Makbus.
Majboos.
Madbus.
Makbous.
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 Yes.
Makbous. That's it.
Mr. Aldrin.
And this is
Kuwaiti traditional.
traditional Kuwaiti dishes. Ayan. Matitikman natin. Tingnan natin kung gaano kasarap. Oh, bumili pa ng bagong kutsilyo.
I love this knife.
Ayan, mamaya ako ng kuli ng ano. Ayan. Good, good. Ayan, talagang ito yung bagong bili ngayon. Ngayon, itong propane na ito pang camping talaga to eh. Pang campers van. High pressure siya. Kaya kahit maliit, eh maraming laman. See my boss, he is a chemist and chef.
Chip cook.
Chef cook
I should have brought my chef coat, huh?
and also a chemist. And here mamaya pagkaluto. Mamaya pagkaluto. Ako natin kung anong bali itong aming lakad nito hindi pa totally 100% prepare talaga na ano. Pagkabiglaan ito. Ngayon. So itong lugar na ito, ano ito? Farm. Puro farm ang kakatabi rito. Ayan, tatanungin natin yung mga ingredients. So, boss, can we reveal all the ingredients?
Alright, so I started with red onion, sweet red
Red
onion.
onion
And then
and...
2 large cloves of garlic.
without chopping the garlic,
No,
huh?
no, no.
Okay.
That way, when it's cooked, you can grab the garlic and use it as
and you can eat the
exactly.
whole garlic.
I'll give it all the flavor and everything.
And that's it.
No. Right now, I'm gonna go get the tomato,
Yeah.
mix that in, and then
Tomato will chop also or,
it doesn't need to be like any particular cut. It can just be chopped because it's gonna melt
Yeah.
anyways
okay.
with the food. Because then we're gonna put the meat in there, and we're gonna
The
let
meat
it cook.
is beef or
Lamb.
lamb. Lamb is tupa. Tupa ang gagamitin na
Notice
ano.
I didn't use oil. I used butter. Oil,
And-
vegetable oil is not good for you.
This is
High cholesterol, causes all that stuff.
Yeah, for
It's not healthy. But butter,
lamb is no have too much cholesterol.
actually, lamb has.
ayun sa mga lutuin naman, isa rin na ano ko yung pag inisangkot siya ba sa atin. Talagang malasa ang pagkain. Ayun. Bali ang sahog niya, yung bawang na hindi ginayat. Sibuyas ang ginayat. Tapos itong ano, pwedeng gayatin, pwedeng hindi. Itong kamatis. Kasi madudurog naman doon. Ayun, mamaya uli. At
This is a good knife.
ayan yun. Ayan, mamaya uli. Mamaya uli, kunang uli mamaya. Baka kasi ako malubat. Wala pa kaming wala pang linya ng kuryente pero may pagkukunan na ng kuryente rito. Doon, mahalayo. Siguro mga 100 meter yun. Mahigit. Ayan, mamaya ulit. Ayun. May mga nilagay pa na hindi ko nasama. So, additional condiments. What are the condiments?
Alright, so I put
I think there is turmeric, huh?
I
Is it
put
turmeric?
turmeric, lemon powder,
Lemon powder.
dried lime.
But you can use literally fresh lemon.
You can, but this actually gives it more flavor because it's dry. Because it's
Is
like
it lemongrass or?
it's dry. No, not lemongrass. It's lemon, like lime.
Okay.
And you see these small balls here?
What is that?
Those are little dried lime.
Oh, okay.
So it's more potent when it's dry. And then we put cardamom.
What is that?
Cardamom.
Cardamom.
So that's it.
Ayan.
I don't even really
Nilagyan ng lime na pinatuyo. Pero nagyan rin ng lime powder. And chili powder, huh?
Yeah, I put chili powder.
Chili
And then
powder and
Cinnamon
what is
sticks.
That? What is that?
Cinnamon sticks.
Cinnamon, yeah.
This also gives the meat flavor.
How much kilo lamb you put?
Probably 3 kilos.
So
About 3 kilos.
I mean the measurement will all depend on your calculation like that.
For the rice, yeah. So when I'm gonna put the water, that's gonna determine how much rice I'm gonna make.
After that, boss, you put the rice.
The
The rice at the end.
this is
This is saffron.
saffron. It's a very expensive flour.
Saffron.
So saffron depend on your not too much. Huh?
Well, it is expensive. You don't want to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
crazy.
The most expensive,
It's more expensive than gold,
yeah,
weight-wise.
and the most expensive, what you call this?
Processing.
No, flour. That is, I think that is flour. Huh?
But
That saffron.
yes, it's from a flour.
And what is that?
Salt.
Salt.
And then I'll taste it again afterwards.
Then depend on you if you put more salt or what.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So right now, let me get the water. I did get nice
Bali,
fresh water.
walang ano ito, walang bitchin ito. Walang ajinomoto ito. Okay, yun.
Alright, so how I measure is basically for the rice. Because towards the end, I'm going to mix the rice in here.
Oh,
Alright, so what I did was
no need to remove the meat.
No,
Just
just
mix the rice
all together. So I ended up putting about 6.5 cups of water, an extra half a cup just in case of evaporation, because I'm going to be putting
Oh,
on low
yeah,
heat.
Yeah.
And then I'll get the rice ready afterwards. And then once the rice is ready, we dump it in there, and there should be about 3 cups of rice to 6 cups of water, and then how's your uncle?
So yun, nilagyan niya ng pinalabisan niya ng tubig para pag ano tama-tama na pag natuyo yung nabawasan na. Ayun, so now we will put more fire. Ayan. Hanggang sa kumulo.
Alright, so it boils,
Okay.
and then
So how long it will take? 1 hour? Half hour?
well for lamb I usually do it for 2.
2 hours?
Yeah, for lamb. It gets really nice and tender if you do 2 hours. If you do 1 hour, it'll cook, but it'll be
What's-
very tough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it tender.
So
Just like you know a woman's breast. I mean, excuse me. You can edit
be
that.
careful. Be careful.
So yeah, you want it nice and tender.
Yeah, but I think 1.5 it will already.
Well, yeah, I'll wait in 1 hour and a half,
You will check
The
it.
half hour is going to be for the rice to
Oh, yeah.
be in water. Because you want to soak the rice for at least 30 minutes before you put it in here.
Ayun, 2 oras daw. I will go home first. I will sleep and then I will come back.
Yeah. Go ahead. Grab yourself some drinks. We got plenty.
Okay. Ayun. Mamaya, 2 oras eh. So what time now?
I don't know.
Anong oras na?
45. 1:45.
1:45.
Oh, wow, already?
Yeah. Ano,
So-
12. 12:45.
Oh, 12:45. So,
Miss 1:45.
bago mag alas 3, kakain na kami.
I am hungry. At least we got snacks.
Ay. Okay. Mamaya ulit aming 2 oras. At mamaya ulit kunan ko ng video. Ayan, sinetap na yung tulugan. Malaki siya. 8 tao raw ang ano nito. Coleman. 8 person. 14 by 8 feet. Ito. Magandang ano to. Ayan at maya pa ako matutulog. Maya ulit. Hindi pa namin maluto yung matagal nga lutuin. Matagal lutuin ng soup ang ano. At mamaya ulit. So now, nilinis na yung bigas. Tapos sasali na. Pero yun, mukhang masarap nga ito. Naamoy ko na eh.
Wait, let the rice soak first.
To make the rice little bit soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we add it to the pot. Obviously, try the water first. Make sure, like the water in here, make sure it's nice and salty because the rice tends to take up the salt.
Yeah. Ayun, bababara muna ng bigas. Itong bigas na ito ibang klaseng bigas. Hindi gaya ng bigas sa Pinas. Medyo matigas siya. Na mahahaba na mapayat. Ayun, at mamaya ulit. Ay, naamoy ko na. Mabango nga. Ayan, kakain na kami. Talagang matagal bago naluto itong aming pagkain. Ayan.
Okay.
See?
Anything
Mabango.
else? Drinks? Pepsi,
Add-
Cola, Sprite.
No spoon.
Sprite.
This?
Sprite. You want Sprite?
Ayan. I have a spoon here. Ayan. Hindi na ako makapag-video pag kain. Mapapalaban ng kain rito. Hindi ko nadala yung aking stand para sa cellphone.
Cola or Sprite?
Mabango. Talagang ano ito. Sira ang diet natin ito. What is this?
Spoon.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yun na muna at kami kakain na. Gutom na.
I just leave the cooking of the rice.
Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. Hindi ko na na-video. Yung kinunan ko kanina ng konting-konti lang ang natira. Masarap yung luto. Sira ang diet namin. Busog na busog. Siguro hanggang dito na lang muna. At mamaya pagliwanag baka makapag video uli. Ayun, magandang umaga at magandang araw. Bye bye.